also observed a lot of times my traps are very stiff. Even on the days when I'm not training traps, I'm training just shoulders. My traps tend to get very stiff. So that might also be one of the problems.
And what is your work profile? Is it a sitting job or is it
Just tell you about that. For the past 3 years, I've been working with Decathlon. It's a sport retail company in Mumbai. So my job, of course, it was a standing job. It was 8 to 10 hours. But it's been 10 days that I've left the job. I'll now be pursuing masters abroad, so I'm on that track.
Okay. All right. Relax. Okay. Is this painful?
No.
None of these areas, huh?
There.
Here you feel the pain.
Yeah. Starting from there.
Okay, and then it goes down also?
Yes.
Okay. All of this area? Okay. Right leg, can you bend and raise it up in the air? Right leg. Down, left leg. बस. ओके, ठीक है ना, इसमें कोई इशू नहीं है. Very good. Perfect. Okay, Nishant, I'm going to do some movements for you. Okay. All you're supposed to do is follow the breathing pattern. Okay. Breathe in, breathe out as we do the movements. You don't have to help me, you don't have to block any movement. Okay. Take it easy, be comfortable. Easy. Breathe. Breathe out. Okay. Good. Relax. Breathe. Breathe out. Perfect. Okay. Come. I want you to lie down on your tummy, head this side. Good. Relax. Relax. Breathe karo. Breathe out. Nice. Breathe out. Breathe out. Yes. Breathe out. That's it. Okay. Good. Relax. Loose. Keep it loose. Yeah. Loose. Easy. Relax. Perfect. Breathe. Breathe out. Okay. Chin again. Breathe out. Good. Yeah. Comfortable. Yeah. Breathe. Deep breath. Breathe out. Once again. Breathe out. Yeah. Here. And here. Okay. Easy. Relax. Breathe karo. Breathe out. Okay. Breathe out. That's it. Keep it loose, nice and easy. There is a good amount of stiffness in the thoracic and lower back area, definitely. Easy. Relax. Good. Loose. Slide up a bit. Yes. Easy. Okay. Loose. Very nice. That's it. Come. Turn on my side. No, lie down. Just lie down. Yep. Head down. Hold here. This lower leg is straight. This one. Easy. Breathe. Breathe out. Perfect. Sit. Easy. Loose. Very nice. Relax. Very good. Loose. Loose. Comfortable?
Yeah.
Back straight, hands up. Elbows bent, fingers interlocked right here. Okay. Keep your hands here on my hands. Okay. Back straight karo. सामने देखो. Nice and easy. Be relaxed. सामने देखो.